And once you have done that, that is a professional tip, but I'm gonna give it to you because you seem very advanced. So where it says size, there is a small screen, a computer, okay?
Where it says what?
Size.
Size.
Yeah, on top of the sliding bar. Yeah, click there. Okay, so you are not seeing now the computer thing. Go to the iPad thing, and you see how it looks in the iPad, and then how it looks in the mobile phone. And you can adjust them different if you need to.
Really? Oh, how cool is that?
Yeah, it's awesome. Really. Okay. Yeah, it's just for you to know. So you keep that in mind that you can do that for everything, and every time that you are updating a text or a picture, then you have these three things to check the computer, iPad, and telephone.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can go from there and check how all the page is looking, and then adjust accordingly. Okay, perfect.
Okay.